Hello and welcome back. Our infrastructure setup is ready. Now we have to set up cluster. As you know that we are going to set up two cluster. So look at this particular picture. First of all, we are going to set up Swarm cluster 1 in which we have one manager and one worker node, and same will be for cluster 2 as well. So let's start. First of all, I am going to my CL1 manager. Here I am going to set up cluster and this node will be manager. So you all are familiar with how we can initialize the cluster. So I am going to use this particular IP. Here I am going to remove this and I just need to advertise public IP. So 172.31.45.90. This is the IP address that we are using, private IP. Then, now once you give this command, you will get one token. We need to copy this and we need to go to the worker node and we need to paste this. And now this node joined to the Swarm cluster. Now if I am giving command docker ls, docker node ls here, yes, this is my manager, this is my worker node. So what I can say that my Swarm cluster 1 is ready. Now we are going to set up Swarm cluster 2. There is no difference in the command. So I'm just going to copy this command from here, going to the manager. Here I just need to change IP. So it would be 172.31.45.79. I'm actually seeing IP from here and entering into this. Done. Here I got this token. I'm going to copy this, going to the worker node and pasting over here. So now it is done. Let's give command docker node ls. So my Swarm cluster is completely ready. Here for your reference, I provided you all the details, but I think you guys also familiar with this. So you just need to copy command from the mind map and then you can run them. So what I can say that my both Swarm cluster is ready. Now we want to set up one sample application as well. So let's set up application. As you know that, to set up application, every time you are actually, copying source code from my GitLab, then you are creating image, then you are sharing this image with a multiple Docker host and then you are creating service, right? This is like a standard way to create service. But this time you don't need to perform all this step. Why? Let's understand. Before we set up the service, you need to download the source code, create image and share image with the Docker host, right? Every time we are doing this, but this time we are not going to do this. We are going to use image CFH CloudFolks HUB public /LB repo CloudFolks app, which is available in Docker Hub. So this time what I have created to cut down all this step, I just created one public repo into the Docker Hub and then uploaded image into this. Now because it is a public repo, you guys can easily download image from this. So any Docker host can pull the image from this. So because of this, now you do not need to share your image with every Docker host and all this. Because we already created all these steps and we are aware about this, I just cut down this step for your convenience. Okay. So now we just need to load service. This is like a very easy step. So here we are going to use same command. I'm going to copy this, going to the manager node, and here I am going to paste this. So Docker service create, name my web. We are going to create two replicas. Why? Because we have two nodes in each Docker Swarm cluster. We are going to publish this port and then here we have a image name, right? So we are just going to use this and it will create two two tasks. I'm going to give same command over here as well. I'm just going to change my web app name. Okay. I'm just giving name like my web app 2. That's all. If you are going to use same name, there will be no issue. Okay. So right now it is creating task. It will take some time because it is going to download image from the public Docker repo and then it will create this, but no need to worry. It will be ready within minutes. Yes. So now I have same condition. Now if you want to verify, you can. Okay, so what I am doing, I am going to the manager. I am going to use manager nodes IP. It is the IP address of my manager, and I am going to paste it.
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Shatara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.